Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I'm going to speak about some new releases that are coming out in September, and I am also going to bring up two topics that I see floating around Instagram and in my comments. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, first I want to speak on this Monogram ink collection. I'm not going to speak on all of the handbags, only the Alma BB. I recently showed you guys an actual picture of the gray and also the black, both of the handbags, and I'm speaking of the color because it is the same design. It's just two different colors and they are both amazing. I am just loaded with two mini black and gold handbags from Louis Vuitton, so my eye honestly is on the gray. Yes, I love me a good classy black handbag, but for me, I love everything fall, and this screams fall, but we are not going to lock in the season. I told you guys that, okay? We are going to use our handbags. I showed this picture and I also read some of the comments. A few DMs, you guys are basically asking what happened to the long leather strap. In this photo, guys, it just doesn't show. It only shows the braided chain strap, okay? And I was mostly concerned about the braided chain strap because in the lookbook, it didn't seem so chunky and so big. I honestly thought it was going to be like this. Okay, you see how long it is? This is, I can wear it as a crossbody over the shoulder, and I honestly thought that braided strap would be the exact same. And no, I do not have a problem with this. I actually love this. I love that it's larger. I love that it's short, because not only can I carry it as a tote using the handle, I can also carry it as a tote using this chunky braided strap. So I'm okay with that. I was just pointing out that, hey, this is a better picture just to give you guys a clue of what you pre-ordered and what to expect. So yes, inside is a long leather strap. You know, the original straps that we usually get with our leather Alma BB handbags, okay? So please don't be afraid. Please go and still pre-order if you like, or wait till it hits stores. It's totally up to you, but I am team gray when it comes down to purchasing either of these handbags. Again, it does come with a long leather strap, and if you do order the black, please make sure you use that braided chunky strap on all the handbags in your collection that you want, okay? Because you know we have a lot of black handbags. And also, if you have the black unpruned leather mini bum bag, if you do not use this black chunky strap to go around your waist, and I'm hoping it's long enough, man, it's gonna steal the show. Okay, next, let's move on to this. A lot of you guys asked, and I showed you guys the entire collection of the Cognac that is coming out here shortly. Some of you guys already pre-order. You guys know a Pochette Matisse is coming out, the mini bum bag. A lot of you guys are sending me messages, and guys, I have reached out to my CAs and none of them can provide me with an actual picture, which is quite strange to me. I do not know if the mini bum bag is going to be the large, the giant LV print, or the smaller monogram print, okay? But still a beautiful color. It's up to you. You want to pre-order. If it comes in, you don't like it, guys, you have 30 days. Don't sit on it. Send it back if it's such a big deal for you, okay? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know the answer. This is the On The Go Tote MM in the Cognac color. I'm not sure. I'm kind of torn, besties. I'm torn on this. I love the giant LV print sometimes. And then sometimes I don't. I feel like LV, they don't know when to use it. But when it comes to the On The Go Tote, with it being a larger bag, I love the giant LV print. I love it. I don't know. So let me know, how do you feel? Do you love the smaller monogram print when it comes to the handbags, larger handbags? Does it make a difference? Do you even pay attention to that? I know I do. I'm very, very picky. So this is the On The Go Tote, like I stated, in the Cognac color that's coming out. Some of you guys have already pre-ordered. Let me know how you feel about the smaller monogram on such a large handbag. Like I said, I'm a fan of the giant LV print when it comes to this design, okay? Now, let's quickly keep moving, guys. This is going to be a short, sweet video. I told you in the past video that we are going to receive Neverfulls in Epi leather. Yes, this have been out years ago. I remember the Neverfulls in Epi leather. But guess what? Let's talk about now. 2024, they are coming back. Not only the Neverfull, but the Neo No Way. Let me get my phone. I don't have a lot of details. Of course, the pictures are not going to be clear because I'm not even supposed to be sharing this information, but you my bestie, so you know I'm gonna look out. Okay, let me get my phone like I stated and show you some pics and let's move on. Okay, I have my phone. So this is the Neverfull MM. Yes, the size is MM. Epi leather. Launch date is September the 20th. Guys, this is absolutely early, okay? To be receiving this information, this is early. I do not have a price, only the launch date. And of course, you know how LV, you know how they are. They'll probably move back, but this has already passed production, so we are safe. Here it is. Guys, we are receiving 4 colors. We have the green, we have the cognac, we have the black, and red. And I'm not sure what type of red. It could be scarlet. I don't know what type of red it's going to be, but it's coming. So we have these 4 here. I'm not sure if it's going to be more colors. As of right now, this is what I received. So if you are a fan of Epi leather, I know I am. I am an absolute fan of Epi leather. Like, that's the only type of Alma BBs I have is Epi leather. I love the structure. I love the feel. I love everything about it. And I'm pretty sure inside is going to be microfiber material, okay? Don't play with the Epi leather. Don't give us that rough interior, okay? So we have this. I also told you guys about the Neo No Way coming out, but I received these pictures, okay? It's 2, green and also the cognac color, but I see right beside it, there is an Alma BB in green. I have an Epi leather Alma BB in green, and you know what? It's right here looking at me. Let me grab it. Here it is, right here. Okay, so this is in Epi leather. Very smooth, I love it. I love this. But it comes with silver hardware, which I absolutely adore, okay? But as you guys can see, in this picture, it's coming with gold hardware. I'm okay with my silver hardware when it comes to this handbag. But if you are a gold hardware dyed fan, like, oh my God, you have to have your gold hardware, here you go. It is coming out in September 20th, the same day, and it's called, I think the whole collection is the Epi Heritage, okay? As you guys can see, it has a Neo No Way, like I told you guys. It has the Neverfull, and it also have the Alma BB. My thing is, are they coming out with a cognac Alma BB? I mean, are they going to give us that? Because when I tell you, look, LV, I told you guys, there's going to be some shocking things coming out the rest of 2024. So jumping on all these other handbags that you guys see, please save your coins and be patient. It's so many handbags I wanted to jump on. You guys know I'm down for that reverse monogram, Speedy's 20 trunk. But guys, you still have not seen what I have seen, okay? You still have not seen what I have seen. And one of them, they made me promise, like I just cannot open my mouth about it, and it is killing me. I want to tell you guys what's coming, but they told me I better zip it and lock it and throw away the key. But something is coming, okay? Something is coming. So just be ready. So that's what I wanted to show you. And before I get off of here, I also want to show you this. You guys know when things, you know, they kind of pass by me, and I have to share. This is called the Neverfull Peekaboo. Like hide and seek Peekaboo. I don't know if it's going to be more colors, but I know of this tan color here. Guys, it's reversible. That's the Peekaboo part. You can wear it, and I've worn my Neverfull like that before. You know how you can just flip it inside out? So guys, you will be able to flip these handbags inside out, and I'm pretty sure LV is going to come with different colors in this design, okay? So this beautiful tan here, then you have the monogram inside. You can flip it. And guys, oh my god, that is going to be so adorable and cute. Like I said, you can do that with your Neverfull now. So I'm very, very curious on this. I do not know when it's going to come out, the launch date. I do not have a price. Like I said, the picture just came dwindling my way, and I was like, I am going to share with my besties. So guys, let me know how you feel. And also, if you pre-ordered the mini bum bag, please ask your CA. Ask your CA, is it the giant LV print? Also, let me know how you feel about that on-the-go tote MM. Are you very picky with the monogram size? Like, are you a giant LV lover? Do you love the smaller monogram on there? And if you pre-ordered anything from the Monogram Ink collection, especially in Alma BB, let me know. Were you team gray or team black? I have to know the details, guys. Please share. You know how we do in the comments. So guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.